Welcome to my channel Piotr. Today I will show you unboxing DJI FPV Combo drone. FPV, which means you fly the drone by looking through the goggles. And this is probably the best DJI FPV drone on the market, with everything you need. Now I just unboxing everything outside, so you have propless, battery, everything from the boxes, and I will show you. We have a canopy, the green one, instruction, the green canopies, so you can change for the fly if you raise, for example. We have antennas, screw for antennas into the goggles. The goggles are quite interesting and super unique, look to them, but also it's a little bit heavy. You can feel the weight on your face when you wear them. Here little toggles you can use to adjust the length. This is the headband. Put on your head and adjust them and try to get the most comfortable fit. This is the battery power bank for goggles. Goggles power cable, USB-C cable, AC power cable, USB-C OTG cable. This is power adapter, so you will charge the drone. We have small Allen key for replacement. Battery is quite heavy, 2000 mAh, with drone propellers push down and rotate. You will see red circle, so red with red and black with black. The drone is quite heavy, just under 800 grams. The drone looks cool and you can film in 4K 60 frames per second. We have two sensors. The battery probably we need extra. It's easy to take out. So this is the DJI FPV drone. We have remote controller. We need screw 2 joystick into the remote controller. Looks like gaming controller. I'm really excited to try this drone. So thank you for watching and see you the next one.